To add a drop-down menu on Shopbase, start by logging into your account and navigating to the online store editor. Click on the Navigation tab and select the menu you want to add the drop-down to. Next, click on the Add Menu Item button and enter the name of the menu item that will serve as the parent for your drop-down menu. After creating the parent menu item, click on the three dots next to it and select Edit. In the Edit Menu Item window, click on the Link tab and select the link type as menu. Then, click on the Add Sub-Menu Item button to start adding the items that will appear in your drop-down menu. Enter the name and link for each sub-menu item and click Add to save. Repeat this process to add all the items you want in your drop-down menu. Once you have added all the sub-menu items, click Save to save the changes to your menu item. The drop-down menu will now be live on your online store. When adding a drop-down menu, make sure to keep the menu items organized and easy to navigate. Use clear and concise names for your menu items and avoid having too many levels of sub-menu items. By following these steps, you can create a drop-down menu on Shopbase that enhances the user experience and makes it easier for customers to find what they are looking for on your online store. Remember to test your menu after adding the drop-down to ensure it is working as expected.